So, more often than not, your copy will suck because you're too busy trying to make it short. I'm just being honest. You're too busy trying to solve for just one of the 4 decision-making modalities, and that one is the spontaneous decision maker. The spontaneous decision maker is an emotional, fast-moving person who trusts how he feels and isn't invested in reading beyond the hero section of your page. They're what's called tool dominant. They use search and your navigation to get around your site, and they're attracted to icons and images. Unfortunately, they're the one group of decision makers we're typically solving for when we focus on writing short copy. But they could make up just 25% of your traffic if we get kind of literal with the math. There are, in fact, 3 other types of decision makers interfacing with your copy, and they need things from your copy that the spontaneous visitors do not. They are competitive, humanistic, and methodical decision makers. Competitive decision makers move fast, just like the spontaneous decision maker, but they're more logical than the spontaneous folks, and as such, they're more likely to read more, but fast. Competitives want to see clear benefits tied to features. They want you to front load your bullet lists and crossheads with features. They want proof in the form of facts and numbers. They're logical and they're fast moving. Then there are the humanistic and methodical decision makers. These folks move more slowly through your copy, reading a ton of it. Humanistics are looking for the emotional stuff like personal stories, photos of real people, and loads of benefits. Methodicals are equally slow-paced but logical. They want you to connect the dots for them and show them all the details in your copy. They're likely to move through the stages of awareness methodically, considering every angle at every turn. When you know that there are 4 primary types of decision makers experiencing your copy, you can stop trying to make everything super short. You can also break some rules about leading with benefits over features. So your job is to write an organized copy that solves for all 4 decision makers: spontaneous, competitive, humanistic, and methodical. Now, if the data tells you that people who buy from you, like your current and future customers, are more logical than emotional, you may then hypothesize that your copy should serve competitive and methodical decision makers first. But let the data tell you that. Don't let the fear that no one reads online keep you from serving the many, many people who do.